Welcome to today's Elementor tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add a mask to the video background in Elementor using the powerful Steroids for Elementor plugin. Steroids for Elementor is an incredible plugin that expands the functionality of Elementor and allows you to achieve stunning design effects. So, let's dive in and learn how to add a mask to the video background in Elementor. The first step is to install and activate the Steroids for Elementor plugins. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugin, click on Add New, and search for Steroids for Elementor. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. To access the additional mask options for the video section, make sure to enable the VideoMask extension from the add-in settings. Navigate to the plugin settings and find the VideoMask option. Enable it to activate. Create a new page or edit an existing one using Elementor. Click on the Video section Edit button and add a video link first. Under the Style tab, you will find the VideoMask Extra option. Here, you can add any SVG or PNG file. Note that the video mask should be a black and transparent SVG or PNG file. Anything that is 100% black in the mask image will be completely visible, while anything that is transparent will be completely hidden. I am currently using PNG files which I download from pngfind.com. I will add link in the video description. The mask is currently applied, and you can preview the effect while customizing the settings. This looks absolutely stunning. I would highly recommend using a fast-moving scene video as the background. It will add a dynamic and captivating visual effect. Let's experiment with different transparent images for the mask effect. You can try using your website logo or any simple effect image to create unique and eye-catching visuals. By leveraging the power of masking, you can create visually captivating video backgrounds that elevate the design of your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and consider checking out the related videos linked below for more valuable Elementor tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.